Alright, today we're working on the R34 front bumper. We're peeling off the wrap from the blip that we got. We're doing the carbon fiber canards. My son's helping me peel this stuff off, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're done peeling everything off the front lip. Now we just gotta sand it down, primer her, and get her ready for paint. Or are we painting this? Comment below what color you think I'm going with, and if it's paint, wrap, or whatever you guys think, comment below. Alright, so I'm gonna be installing the canards. I put the marks where I'm gonna drill. So this is gonna go right there. So stay tuned. Alright, so they're on now, mocked up. Before we tie them all down, I went through 2 hold downs on this side, 1 in the middle, and 2 on this side, so 5 total to hold that front, that bigger piece on. Now let's mount this one on. So one side's done, looks really good. So what do you guys think? Comment below, see what you guys think. Hint, the color of this car is on this video somewhere. You guys gonna see it. It's gonna be fresh. This carbon fiber is gonna look so fresh with that color. That's the fitment. So what I did, I went with this line this way until the edge of this, and then on this one I drew this line, and then I went like this, so it's going there, and over here it looked pretty even. If you look down, fresh. So that's how you install those. Alright, so I'm doing the other side now. Since I already did the one side, I'm doing it in my basement. I finally got this front part right here, the splitter, and it's a perfect fit. It's like on there, you don't even have to do nothing. You just lay it on there and it just falls in place. It's nice, really like it. So we're gonna be mounting this and then doing the canards, and then see how the whole bumper comes out. Stay tuned. Alright, so I put it together. It was pretty simple. Everything was just drill the holes and put a nut and a bolt and a washer. She looked good though. Oh yeah. I can't wait to put her on. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. One. Alright. I'm going to open my package that I got from Japan for the R34 skyline that I have. Ooh. Sick. This thing is gonna look so sick, dude. Can't wait. Let me see. Can't wait. Ooh. I'm gonna paint these a different color to stand it out. And yeah, these are 60 mil over, guys. 60 mil over, and they're made by the company Nexa. So they're Nexa freaking fenders. You can't get these anywhere in the States. You gotta wait almost a year to get these. All right, let's check it out. Oh, cocaine. Cocaine, I think it's cocaine. Let's check it out. It's a lot of layers on this stuff. See, they send us the good stuff. Man, they got scratched. Ah. It's a little scratched, they didn't wrap it correctly. Dummies. But, whatever. So this was scratching on there. Alright, so the last piece of the puzzle arrived. Everything came in. No damage. Everything looks good. Oh boy. Time to get serious now, boy. She's gonna look so fresh. Guys, so unfortunately my car, I don't even know what happened. I was just driving home, it started making a knocking noise. Let me show you guys. So I was driving back from Philly from ripping some donuts the other night, which I have no tread left. This was from the burnouts, guys, so you know these tires did their purpose and this engine did its purpose. So I was just driving back from Philly and I'm hearing this knocking noise when I'm at, you know, at like 3,000 RPMs. So now I gotta pull this thing out, rebuild it, and you know, make it fresher, because that's what we do, you know. I'm upset a little bit because I'm not gonna get to enjoy what I'm about to do to this car, but stay tuned for the freaking build, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, because this build's gonna be insane. So stay tuned, guys. She's being stored away now to get built. It's a sad day, but at least it matches my toolbox. Alright, so now I'm gonna clean my garage out. Got all these mess to get rid of. Anybody need mess, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, put this joint on. Yeah, let's get it. Doing some renovations around here. Looking fresh. Looking fresh. So, let's see how we're gonna arrange all this stuff. It's gonna look fresh. Guarantee it. Stay tuned. This just happened. This is what happens when you don't take precaution. Nah, cost me a couple $1,000 car parts because they were just laying around. Broke my hood, so no more hood. And now this. Yeah, my toolbox, and then this rain. Yep. Alright, so this is the aftermath. The car got a few dents. Nothing too crazy. No damage to this side. This side got scratched, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that. I'll show you guys how to fix that. We got a dent there, here, and right here I got 2 dents on the fender. How to bend those back. My hook broke. Crack there. Scratches. Sun came out. It was just howling. It's crazy. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Está lloviendo? ¿Está lloviendo?
Go down the first 2 steps and look up. See?
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, I guess the rainbow came out.
Come down here and look up.
It's probably on my toolbox, coming out of my toolbox on top of my car.
What?
It's alright. Little scratches. My hood took a beating too. You know, it's all good though. Toolbox took a beating too. It's all good. Got something for y'all. Boom.